Hey team, Claire here from My Mortgage, and today I just wanted to talk a little bit about interest rates because at the moment things have been changing quite quickly and relatively significantly with the official cash rate, and banks have actually dropped rates this week, which is super interesting. So most of the main trading banks now have got sort of a 1 year rate sitting at around that 495, 499 space, and the 2 year rates kind of around the 5.3 to 5.5 depending on the banks, which is a little bit of a pullback on what we had about a month or so ago. So now questions are being asked as to whether or not the rates have topped out. So I hope we will be so lucky as to see that, but it's likely that the pullback in spending based on the increase in interest rates over the past sort of 6 to 8 months has actually meant that the official cash rate reviews are looking in a little bit more detail at those other economic factors as to whether or not they need to keep going and putting rates up further, or if it's actually done its job. So I'd suggest that perhaps they're looking at that as we speak, and looking like we might actually start to get a little bit more of a levelling of interest rates before maybe we expected to. So what does that mean for you and your fixed rate? Well, at the moment, a 1 to 2 year fix is a pretty good option. Widely expected that if it's not done sooner, by the end of next year, 2023, we're probably going to be looking at level interest rates or potentially a little bit of easing, depending on what happens in those economic climate factors in that time. So if you're relatively confident in your budget, you've got a really good budget, some good surplus income, that 1 year fix is a pretty good bet for you. If you'd like a bit more certainty and you're thinking about, oh, maybe would like to know what those repayments are going to be for a little bit longer, then a 2 year fix is a little bit more expensive, but does give you that extra certainty. So when you're considering what to do in today's climate, I'm sort of looking at that 1 to 2 year fix, thinking that probably most people who fix for 12 months today will end up paying a little bit less in that second year. So as always, this is not financial advice tailored to you. So if you do want to have a chat about your situation, get in touch with us, mymortgage.co.nz, or me directly, Claire at mymortgage.co.nz. Look forward to talking to you soon.